Motor Edge Vantage, your reliable and trusted car workshop in Singapore. Our founders, Eric and Joel, started Motor Edge Vantage with a team of technical experts, having industry-standard qualification and dealership experience. We service all-inclusive premium cars like Volvo, Land Rover, Range Rover, Porsche, Jaguar, and other premium cars. Whether you're looking for a regular scheduled servicing, routine repair works, complex diagnostics, or restoration, Motor Edge Vantage has you covered. Our mission is to help customers with professionals who are passionate about delivering the most enjoyable driving experience possible. Guided by our core values, we strive for excellence to deliver high-quality service through fast and simple processes. You can depend on us and be sure that we fulfill our promises. Count on us. We are genuine to take responsibility for our actions. We ensure efficient service with quick turnaround time. And we are all committed towards promoting our vision to be a reliable and trusted workshop for premium automotive brands in Singapore and beyond. Thank you. Feel free to call us now.